as an officer. Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took this Arab, we will not allow because he was chief of numbers, and then you to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop
sir,
that?
You get
Will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up, your mouth, good
sir.
officer.
I will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir, I'm a
I
police
was in
officer.
school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will
me
you
up.
keep quiet?
You can't
Get
shut
your
me
big
up, sir.
food.
I'm not
You are big food.
I'm not a
You
fool,
think
sir.
I'm shooting anybody like that?
Sir, I'm not
You
a
are the
fool.
fool.
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I
call me a
graduated,
fool.
you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
For which
You can't
order?
call me a fool.
And this, you will see whether you will not be here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go
I'm
and
not a
put up your
fool. I'm an
mouth,
officer.
put up
I'm not a fool, sir. I'm an officer.
You will have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop here, let me see you.
Regular officer, you won't come
We are going to now get out. Go.